Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your pins on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, the type of pin you add to a map is fully dependent on what you are pinning. So for example, if you're pinning a business or a random location, your pin is going to change. So for example, if I place a pin on Park Avenue on the PC version, you just click there. If you're on mobile, you just tap and hold. As you can see, it's this sort of small gray pin which just shows a random location, disappears whenever I click anywhere else and drag. However, if I click on a business, as you'll see, if I drag it around, it's just going to stay. It's going to be a different pin with a red pin icon, and it's going to stay until I either click anywhere else or if I go ahead and click the X in the search bar. Now, those are those type of pins. If you want to change a pin location, for example, from navigation, for example, from here to here, you can very easily just move it around like so by clicking and dragging it, or you can delete the address itself, and then you'll be able to select a new address where you'll be able to add the destination, and that is pretty much it. Now for your maps where you create your own custom map, you just have these blue sort of tags or pins which you can move around, but you cannot really change them. You can right click and delete them, replace with marker or with a line, as you can see here, and you can also rename them if you not really right click here, but when you're placing them, or rather no, you just click on them, click the edit button, and then you can save the changes if you make any. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Those are your only options for changing pins. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.